Okay, so our next discussion is about this company called picsee. So this company is not the only company doing the so-called link shortening service. Okay, but I take this company as an example. Why? Because I somehow know the founder of this company. This is a Taiwanese company. And the founder, he also studied in the Department of Information Management in the past. So somehow we got a chance to talk to each other. Okay, so that question is about how this company make money. Okay, this is a free service. So pretty much you give him a link, he is going to give you a shortened link. Then how this may make money? There can be several ways. So first, obviously you may set up some premium service. So there can be some premium users paying you monthly fee to get some better services. Okay, if you are interested, maybe you want to check their websites. So that's one thing. Also, there are going to be some useful thing to provide this service. Okay. So we mentioned to you that when we are talking about interaction management, one possible way is that you allow all kinds of interaction, or in some sense, you allow all kinds of transactions. So you don't charge them, and you welcome them to use your platform as much as possible. Okay? So one possibility, of course, is to deal with advertisements. So Google obviously is doing this, right? Google does not set any restriction to you. So everybody use Google, and then advertisers will come here. So that's one thing. Also, this company is trying to do the other thing. One thing we mentioned to you is that maybe those behavior data may be sold in some way. Then how about this company? Well, this kind of companies works in the following way. So first, you do have a link, right? That means there is a website that you want to link to. Okay, so let's say you have a website. You input that website link into this company, and then this company is going to give you a shortened link. All right? So if someone click on this shortened link, obviously they will be first directed to this company. There must be a server inside this company, and there is a very big table mapping this shortened link to the original full link. And then this company knows how to direct the user to the website. So that's the typical mechanism. So what this company wants to do? Well, this company says we want to have a lot of users. They all go through our server and then get directed to somewhere else. So as long as, let's say, 10% of users in Taiwan, they all use picsee to get linked to their destinations, this company is going to know a lot of things, right? This company is going to know Taiwanese people, their behaviors. They're going to know that what are the websites that Taiwanese people are looking at. In this particular afternoon, what Taiwanese people are looking at. Which website has higher traffic? Which websites has higher traffic here and there, today or tomorrow? This company is going to use that information to be sold to some companies who want to know how Taiwanese people are looking at websites. All right? So one similar idea is the following. Today, there are many companies in Taiwan. They create apps to let people manage their invoices. Okay? So if you, I'm talking about in Taiwan. If you go to any Taiwanese shop, you go to a restaurant, you go to a retail store or whatever, if you buy something, typically you get an invoice. It may be in hard copy or it may be electronic. So you're going to have a lot of invoices. So if you want to manage them, you, for example, use an app to scan a QR code or to input some ID numbers, and then you're going to have your app, and then the app can provide you some kind of monthly a monthly analysis, your expenditure analysis. The app may even help you to get linked to some payment systems, something like that. So this app is obviously free. What may he make money? Well, if 7% or 10% of users use that app, this app is going to know for a particular store in Taipei. That may be a Starbucks, that may be a McDonald's. The app is going to be able to estimate what's the consumption result in that particular store. Okay, how much revenue this company is doing, how much money this company is earning, and so on and so on and so on. So if you run Burger King, you want to know a lot from McDonald's, right? But if you ask McDonald's, McDonald's is not going to tell you. So Burger King may buy those kind of data from this particular company. That's also one example of using user behavior data. Users, they use your apps, use your websites to get some free services. That's good. And as long as there are enough users using your app, using your data, using your website, those data may reveal useful information regarding consumer preference, regarding consumer behavior, then that may generate some benefit. Then that's going to create some value, and maybe that's going to help you make money.